I'm going to tell you about Camco's portable toilets. Camco's portable toilets are perfect for use when RVing, boating, camping, and many other recreational activities. They're compact, lightweight, and constructed of durable polymer. The top half features a 2.5-gallon flush tank with removable cap and easy-to-use bellows-type flush. It's secured to the holding tank by 2 side latches. The holding tank has a slide valve that locks in odors and protects against leakage. Once detached from the flush tank, you can remove the cap for easy waste removal. The portable toilet is available in 2 sizes, one with a 5.3-gallon holding tank and one with a 2.6-gallon holding tank. So there you have it, Camco's portable toilets. If you don't have one, you should get one today. Hey everybody, Scott here. Today I'm going to tell you about Camco's toilet bucket. Camco's toilet bucket. It's a bucket with a toilet seat for a lid. Camco. But seriously though, it's a 5-gallon bucket with a toilet seat for a lid, a convenient carry handle. It also comes with 3 of these toilet bucket liners. These toilet bucket liners look like a standard garbage bag might, but they're not. They come in this convenient bag with 2 seals. The garbage bag looking bag here is attached to the inside of the sealable bag. Inside this garbage bag looking liner, we have biodegradable powder which gels liquid on contact to make carrying your contents less uncomfortable. Camco's toilet bucket. If you don't have one, you should get one today.
When space is your concern, rely on the Fold-to-Go Collapsible Portable Toilet. Great for camping, RVs, hunting, boating, and emergency preparedness, this collapsible portable toilet weighs only 5 pounds, is only 5 inches tall, and with an integrated handle, it's easy to carry. It also boasts an innovative leg locking system, making it one of the sturdiest portable toilets around, with an impressive weight capacity of 250 pounds. Collapsing the Fold-to-Go is a snap. Simply pull out gently on the bottom of the tabs, releasing the leg from the base. For the rear legs, pull out gently on the bottom of the inside tab and push in on the top of the outside tab. Reliance double-duty bags provide quick, mess-free cleanup and disposal. Wherever and whenever, the Fold-to-Go goes with you.
Hey everybody, Scott here from Camco. I'm going to tell you about Camco's premium travel toilet. It's a durable, comfortable option for camping, hunting, road trips, and boat trips. It's made of ABS resin and it seals in unpleasant odors for an overall better travel toilet experience. The top features a larger size seat than most competitors. It's an increased bowl size.
How big is it?
It's big enough for increased size seats. Its lid can be conveniently latched for easier transport. The freshwater tank holds almost 4 gallons of water, and it utilizes this piston action flushing mechanism, which fires water out of these 3 water jets to help effectively rinse the bowl. The holding tank here has a sliding gate valve that opens for waste. And closes to create an odor-tight and watertight seal. Also, the top is easy to detach and reattach from the holding tank thanks to this simple, single, spring-loaded locking latch. That's all there is to it. The interior of the holding tank has a smooth surface to make waste removal more efficient. The holding tank also has this easy emptying elbow which swivels to give you more control when you're emptying out the holding tank. You just turn the elbow, take the cap off, tilt it up, empty it out, put it back together. Camco's premium travel toilets can be purchased with a 2.6 gallon holding tank or a 5.3 gallon holding tank. So figure out which size best suits your needs and get yourself a premium travel toilet from Camco today.
Potty training can be a messy experience, but leave it to the people behind the diaper genie to make it a little less so. Hi, I'm Laurie from TTPM. The new Playtex Potty Genie from Jinsey is a 3-in-1 potty trainer that uses a liner system that obviously takes its inspiration from Playtex's diaper genie. You store a roll of 20 disposable potty liners in the base of the potty chair. There's also room for extra refill liners sold separately. And whenever you need another liner, you just pull one out from the back of the chair and tear it at the perforation. The liners are scented with a fresh powder scent to help control odors. Cover the potty seat bowl with a liner, and when your child goes to the bathroom in the potty, you just remove the liner from the potty seat bowl, tie it up, and throw it in the trash or in your diaper genie. You don't have to use the liners on the potty seat bowl though. The bowl is antimicrobial to prevent bacteria and odors, and the protective lid traps the liner and bowl to prevent leakage. It also makes it easy to remove the bowl without touching any mess. And there's a little bit of a built-in splash guard if you've got a toddler boy. But that's not all. Once your child has mastered the potty on the floor, you can remove the potty ring and place it on an adult-sized toilet to help a child become comfortable using the big potty. Flip over the base of the potty genie to turn it into a step stool so kids can reach the sink to wash their hands. There is a weight limit of 50 pounds on the potty seat and a weight limit of 100 pounds when used as a step stool. This is a really unique potty trainer that aims to eliminate all those messy cleanups. Nobody wants to spend time cleaning out a toilet multiple times a day, and when you've got a toddler, you just don't have time. We think parents will appreciate the functionality of this potty with the built-in storage for the refill liners and just how the potty uses the liners in general, plus the minimalistic design that makes it fit right in with any bathroom decor. And because it's a 3-in-1, it can take your child from those early potty training stages to the big potty without having to buy separate products. For where to buy and current prices, visit TTPM and subscribe to our YouTube channels for more reviews every day.